In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule posts on Reddit. By the end, you'll know exactly where to create your post, how to set the date and time, and what each scheduling option means so your content goes live when you want it to. First, sign into your Reddit account. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen and click the plus create button. This takes you to the post creation page. At the top, you'll see a drop-down where you can choose the community you want to post in. Pick the one that fits your content. It's a good idea to make sure your post follows that community's rules, especially around timing and allowed formats, so your scheduled post isn't removed later. Next, choose the type of post you're making. You'll see tabs for text, images and videos, link, and poll. For this walkthrough, select text. Type your post body in the main editor. There's also an additional field that's optional if you want to add more content. The editor supports rich text formatting, so use the toolbar above the body field for things like headings, bold or italics, links, and lists. Keep your message clear and easy to read, and if you include links or references, make sure they work and add value. When your post looks good, move to the bottom right of the screen and find the button with a clock icon. Click that to open the scheduling pop-up. Here's where you pick your date and time. Choose the day you want the post to go live, then set the exact time. Double check that the time zone shown matches what you expect, so your post doesn't go out earlier or later than planned. If you want the post to repeat, you can enable the repeat option and set the schedule that fits your needs. Open the advanced options if you want finer control. Sorting and pinning options help determine how your post appears in the community. You can also enable contest mode, which hides vote counts and randomizes comments to reduce bias in replies. And there's an option to post as automod if that's appropriate for the community's setup. When you're happy with the settings, click Save to close the pop-up. Back on the compose screen, click Schedule in the bottom right to finalize. Reddit will queue your post and publish it at the time you selected. And that's it. You've scheduled your Reddit post with the right content, timing, and options to give it the best chance of success.